What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some very special items. We've got an Elgato 4K60 webcam, which is just insane, and we've got a connector for tomorrow's unboxing. So the hint with the connector today, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you know what's coming in tomorrow. It's going to be pretty exciting, but for today's unboxing, we have the Elgato 4K60, and it's going to be super exciting. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed. And that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So let's go into the unboxing itself. So here's the package itself. No, you can't guess what's inside by shaking me. Let's find out. Not really, but I already told you what's in there. So we'll check it out. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. We'll use our handy dandy box cutter this time because my knife's a little dirty. I need to get it clean and sharpened and set up. So we're going to use the box cutter in this one, and let's see what's in here. So big reveal, and there it is. There's some packing material. Let's see what's in there. Let's take the packing material out, and I can already see the Facecam Pro box in there. Very nice. Let's go ahead and grab the other device here, which is a hint to tomorrow's unboxing, so see if anyone can guess that. And let's get rid of the box here. So the MVX2U digital audio interface. This turns a XLR microphone into a USB microphone, and it also adds a nice bit of preamp to it, so very exciting. And then this is the Facecam Pro, Elgato's brand new webcam, an upgrade from their Elgato Facecam. And this does 4K60. I was not sure how they would manage to do this at 4K60 because, as far as I know, no other webcam on the market has been able to do 4K60 efficiently and cleanly. Generally, that's only in capture cards. But of all the people to figure that out, a capture card maker, Elgato, would be the one to do it. So the price is a little pricey. This is a $299 webcam, but if you look at the cost of their capture cards at $180, and then you look at the cost of a webcam at maybe like $150 or so, adding both of those, a camera with a 4K interface, adds up to about that much. And I believe 4K60 is going to be a lot better of a deal from a webcam than having to pay like $700 or $800 for a DSLR setup. So a lot of streamers, a lot of YouTubers are going to be using this camera in the future because overall it is a massive good deal compared to the alternatives that can offer 4K60. So let's go ahead and open up the box. The big reveal, here it is. Here's some manuals. So Facecam Pro, very nice. Basically shows you how to connect it. My concern is that it uses a USB-C to USB-C connector, and it only works with very high-end USB-C ports. So if you don't have one of those, you may have issues. Thankfully, my computer has a USB-C 3.2 port, and it just worked immediately. Turned on as soon as I plugged it in, and they offer a really high-quality, high-speed cable for that to handle that throughput. Because again, this is a 4K60 device. It's a lot of data being sent. Then here's the device itself, very nicely packaged with a nice little sticker on the packaging there. And I was surprised to find this is, one, very large, but two, aluminum. So I'm guessing it gets a little hot. I'm not sure of that because I haven't used it for too long yet or anything, but it has a very high quality feel to it. Brushed aluminum, very strong, and again, very large, especially compared to some of my other webcams that I've tried. It is noticeably much larger, and again, this is a metal case, so it's very nice. Then it has a separate tripod mount. If you want to connect that to the tripod mount on the bottom and then have it on your monitor, you can use this connector. Otherwise, you can remove the connector and connect it to a tripod or a boom arm or something else on your desk, like that. But otherwise, you can just connect this onto it. And I put it on backwards here, but I fix it in a second. So we'll flip it around, and there it is. Now we can place it on a monitor, on the lip of your monitor on the top, and then kind of have it holding down, or like I prefer, on a boom arm without that. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue on with the unboxings and see what else we have. Alright, so now on to the MVX2U This is a USB digital interface, again, for XLR microphones going into USB devices, like your computer. So instead of having to buy a preamp, instead of having to buy a mic with a built-in preamp, instead of having to buy a mixer, you can simply buy this device, plug it into any XLR microphone, and then simply plug it into a USB plug on your computer, and all your audio is right there, and it has a preamp that you can enable and use. Very cool device, definitely necessary. And again, this is a hint for tomorrow's unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you know what's coming up. And let's take a look at the cable here. Pretty nice cable. Obviously not as high quality as the Elgato Facecam one. It's likely not rated as much, but it's just for audio here. And then the device itself is actually metal as well, as it should be. It's like $129 if I recall, but it is a all metal, very well built device here. You can see the stickers and logo, so it looks really nice. It has a nice screen printed logo, or not screen printed, but kind of a matte and shiny logo effect on there. And then on the back we have the USB plugs and everything like that. So very cool device. You also have a headphone out port on the back of it as well, and I'm very excited to start using this one. And big reveal here, I've been recording on the Elgato Facecam Pro at 4K, so this is the quality you can expect. Pretty quick movement. If I put my hand up here, it focuses on it. If I go far away, it focuses over here. If you want to read something, I can say we can read it from far away, and then when we go up close, it quickly focuses, and then it's right back here. Pretty good quality. I really like the clarity of this webcam. I was really on the edge of going for a DSLR, dropping like $700 on a Sony A6 something, and having to buy the HDMI cables, having to buy the power setup for it so it could stay always on, having to buy an HDMI cam link. It was just going to be such a process, and I'm so glad that I found this webcam, because I think this is one that I'm going to be sticking with for a very long time. So that's it for this one. If you like this video, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. And speaking of thanks, huge shout out to our channel members, Miss Noel Davis and Tammy the Psychic. Thank you so much for being channel members. If you want to support this channel, get shout outs and videos like this.
The games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.